Hello everybody, this is Daryl at hudsonscustommachining.com. We have here on the workbench today a rotor from an early General Electric fan. This is from what collectors call a pancake fan. This is a rotor and shaft, and you see how badly worn the shaft is. This area right here is where the wick that lubricates the bearing, the wick rides right here. That bearing journal is from about here back to up into here against this face of the rotor here. That's generally about the area where the bearing is. And the hole in the bearing that the wick goes through rides right here. And if you're not careful to keep that wick lubricated, clean, and fresh wick in there, this is what happens. It'll cut a groove in it, and it'll just keep right on cutting into the shaft. It's very important to keep fresh wick material in your oil cups for lubrication. And if you get any debris on the end of that wick, where that wick rides right here, if you get any debris down here on the end of this wick, a lot of times when people change the oil cups, they'll unscrew the oil cups from the bottom of the motor to fill the cup with oil, and then when they go to screw the oil cup back into the motor housing, they'll just kind of poke around up in there and feel till they finally hit the hole for the wick to go up through there. And the whole time they're doing that, they're daubing dirt and grease and debris on the end of that wick. And then when they screw the cup in there, that spring tension holds tension against that wick on there, and you've got dirt and grit out here on the end of that wick that just wears the shaft down. So what we're going to do here today, we're going to take this old shaft out, and we're going to make a new rotor shaft to go in here. And this is part one of the video. I'll title the next part two. Whatever the title turns out to be for this video, I'll just do a part two and show you the new shaft after we get the new shaft in there. Okay, y'all stay tuned. Hope you enjoy these videos, and subscribe to my videos if you like what we're doing here. Y'all take care, and we'll be back soon.